In this video, you're going to discover how to sell your courses with PayPal. So let's look at this course access plan pricing table here. And let's say we choose to check out for a one-time payment. And we have the Lifter LMS Stripe extension enabled, so we have the ability to pay with a credit card. But we also have these other options down here, one of which is PayPal. So if you want to check out with PayPal, that's a great option out there. I actually recommend doing both Stripe and PayPal. In my experience, at least in the US market, is that about 60 to 70% of people prefer to buy digital products and courses and memberships with a credit card. So the Stripe option is great for that. But then there's a bunch of people who are more preferenced to the PayPal side. So and PayPal is also a little more accessible, as Stripe doesn't work in almost every country in the world like PayPal does. So if you'd like to use PayPal, the first thing you need to do is go to lifterlms.com and purchase the Lifter LMS PayPal integration. The other option would be to get access to it through the Universe bundle. But let's take a look at what it looks like in the back end. If you go to Lifter LMS settings, and let's assume that you've purchased and installed the Lifter LMS PayPal plugin. If you go to checkout, you're going to see an options area related to PayPal. So you need to turn it on, and you can call it what you want. You can give it a description. You can choose it to display in a certain order. In my case, I had Stripe set to 0 and PayPal set to 1, so the credit card option was visible above the PayPal option. You can do the sandbox mode for testing, and you can enable debug logging if you're having issues and trying to troubleshoot what's going on. And over here, you can see where you set up all your API details, all those strings of numbers and letters that make the magic happen. And to figure out how to do all this, you can read our documentation by clicking these links and get access to your some more information on how to set up your PayPal account and get the API keys that you need. The invoice prefix is helpful too. When PayPal does an invoice, it's helpful for customers to be able to easily identify which came through Lifter LMS. And then you can kind of customize your page style, because when you use PayPal, the user is taken outside of that checkout screen we're looking at, taken into the PayPal system where they check out, and you can customize that screen. And we've got some information with you on how to do that here. Now, if you're going to be doing recurring payments, recurring access plans to courses and memberships, you need to enable reference transactions on your PayPal account, and we've got some more detail on how to set all that up here. So that's just a quick tour of what's possible with Lifter LMS and PayPal. So if you want to use the PayPal payment gateway, go ahead and head on over to lifterlms.com and check out the Lifter LMS PayPal integration, or gain access to it and everything Lifter LMS makes through the Universe bundle.